Stuart's Law Review presents their totally fictional, not at all based on real-life rendition of the ever-popular playing game, the Legal Tango.
Go! Slap! Discharge! They owe me! Choke! Slap! Discharge! They owe me! Choke, slap, discharge, they owe me! Choke, slap, discharge, they owe me!
They had it coming! They had it coming! They only had themselves to blame! If you'd have been there, if you'd have seen it, I bet you would have done the same!
Choke, slap, discharge, they owe me!
You know how some women just really want to control a conversation? Like Justice Ann Walsh Bradley. She used to have all the justices in her office, and we were having a conversation, but then we had a disagreement. And I was getting really irritated because I was just trying to make myself heard. And then there's Justice Bradley, towering over me. Not just towering, threatening. So she says to me, she says, "David, get out of my office." Well, then she came at me. So I put my hands up to defend myself. Put my hands right at her neckline. And squeezed.
She had it coming! She had it coming! She only had herself to blame! If you'd have been there, if you'd have seen it, I bet you would have done the same!
I was at a meeting with the Supreme Court justices the other day, and I got stuck sitting next to Justice Gableman. We were supposed to be coming to a unanimous decision, but no, Gableman was sitting there reading his horoscope. I mean, I know it was his birthday, but there he was, so disrespectful. So he turns to the Chief Justice and calls her Shirley. Shirley, my ass! So I simply communicated that he should show more respect to the Chief Justice. You know, some guys just can't take a blow to the back of the head.
He had it coming! He had it coming! He took up everybody's time! He took her first name, and he abused it! It was battery, but not a crime!
Now, you don't know me, but I own a business, and Inwaltz is my employee. Late for the 100th time. I told you if you were late one more time, I said I'd have to let you go. She was crazy, and she kept screaming at me. So on her pink slip, in the biggest font I could give, I wrote, "Discharge."
If you'd have been there, if you'd have seen it, I bet you would have done the same.
It's tough to run a presidential campaign. People say, Newt, what's the deal with your ex-wife? But I don't want to talk about open marriage. And then they accuse me of putting out an attack ad on Mitt Romney.
But did you do it?
It was my super PAC. Not guilty.
Now, you don't know my name, but you've seen me around the law school. I'm that law student who keeps to herself. But I noticed things. I noticed that the education renovation is beautiful. And that the business school building is beautiful. But that the law school building is like a scene from Rent. Now, I've seen how much money they spent redoing the atrium, putting up hangings that look like 1960s Christmas presents. So one day I stole the rugs from the atrium. I figure they owe me.
We